Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to add workplace on Facebook. Open your Facebook app. When you land on the home page, you have to open your profile. You can open your profile by tapping on the profile picture and then tap on Edit Profile. From here, you can modify information about you. Scroll down and tap on Edit Your About Info. Here you can see many details, but since we are only adding our workplace, tap on Add Workplace Experience. Here you can search your workplace name. For example, I'm going to search for Google. And then here you can see the list of companies. Tap on the one where you work on. You also have the option to add job title and location, but those are all optionals. But if you want to add them, you can tap on each of these options. Search for the position or location that you work on and then tap on the one that suits you best. You can also choose to put the information if you actually work here or used to work in the past. So if you toggle on the currently work here option, then it shows that you are still working on this organization. However, if you toggle this off, then you can add and start to end date. When you tap on save, the information will be saved. And from this video, I hope you learned how to add workplace on Facebook. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.